Hi guys, so we are going to be doing the ultraviolet light.
Woohoo! Where'd you get it from?
I got it from Kiwi.
Yep, it's the Kiwicrate.
Look at all of this. We got this.
Yep, we got the ultraviolet light book.
And we got some of
and Kiwi Explore.
Oh wait, we have the highlighters.
Oh, we got highlighters.
We got some of these things. I don't know
what is it. Oh, I forget what these are called.
Wait, no, this is a UV light.
Oh, we got the UV light.
We got this.
A rectangle?
Yeah. We got these results.
Results?
Yes.
Is that what it says?
Yes, it does.
UV experiments lab sheet.
Cool. Look, we have this, and that's it.
What's this? Wait, what is this? I'm pretty sure you're gonna need this. You don't need this. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
So what are we supposed to say?
We're supposed to say,
Let's do this.
What you get is the foam box base, the paper cover, the wood box sides, the axle, the rubber rings, the washer, the large brad, the small brads, the clear stickers.
Great job.
The glowing senses, the highlighters, the axle guide, the foam light holder.
The glowing scenes.
Okay.
The axle guide and what else?
The foam light holder, the UV light, the UV detection beads, the bracelet light cord, and last but not least, the UV experiment seat.
What?
So here we go. Now step 1, spread out the glowing
scenes.
Get creative. Use the highlighters to decorate all 3 glowing scenes.
Okay.
I got the highlighters.
There's one scene.
Is this going to be a movie theater?
There's another
one.
And decorate this page with your own design.
With your own design. Cool.
So you gotta draw like some sea creatures or something.
I'll draw some sea creatures. I'll use it with green. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
I'll draw a shark or something.
No, not there. Over here.
A fish?
If that's what you want to draw.
Okay, I'll make a goldfish. Orange. And let's make fish. Look at that, my cute goldfish.
He's so bright. What else are you going to draw?
I'm going to draw a shark right here. It's going to be a mad shark.
Can I have a highlighter to color?
Yes.
Or do you want to do this? I'm sorry. You know me. I always want to do something and participate with you.
Look at my shark.
Ooh, look at RJ's work. His little fish, and then the shark. That's an angry shark.
I think I'm done.
Is this going to be a movie theater? I have no idea. I hope so. Let me draw some letters. We'll put that on here, not on this one. This is my art. so we can show. Ew, my nails look weird. I wanted to see what it would look like through the back. Oh, that looks cool. Can I see what it looks like through the back? Like this. It doesn't look like anything special. It looks better through the top.
We have finished RJ's little movie theater. Look at that.
Watch the movie, guys.
Yep. It was just taking so long. Oh, are you spinning it, RJ?
Yes, I am.
Whoa, you're going fast.
See?
Very cool.
You're right.
So now, can you turn on the light? Now we're gonna work on another project that Kiwicrate has given us. So this is our little, what is this called again?
The UV bracelet.
No, this one that we built, because I don't even know the proper term. Is it just your viewer? Glow viewer. That's all they're calling it. But now we're gonna work on the UV bracelet.
RJ, it's all sticky. You gotta be quick. He's getting the paper out. I got the little beads out. Here's the bracelet. Woohoo! Light source. Sunlight, flashlight, UV light, light bulb. Oh no, don't pull all those out yet. Because you'll probably end up losing them. Okay. So step one, pinch the loop. I don't even know if the camera can see this. Pinch the loop at the end of the bracelet cord and push it through the bead. So, where is the loop? You see this? You're going to push it like this and slide the bead onto it. Push, push, and then pull this like that. Push this one, and then pull it. You're welcome. Now can you do the next one? Here you go. I'll record you. I can't do it. You gotta pinch the little circle when you put the bead on.
So this is what I'm gonna do. These are a lot of Kiwicrate adventures I made. And I'm gonna put a sticker in there.
You gotta put it in front of the camera. I can't see it.
Okay.
This one. No, show the book. Right, no. Turn it around. Right there. So that's the new sticker RJ just got from his ultraviolet light Kiwicrate box. He's gonna add it to his adventure.
Yep.
Okay, hi guys. We're finished with our Kiwicrate Ultraviolet light. Now I'm just gonna ask my son, which Kiwicrate was your favorite so far?
The movie.
No, not from today. Any of those other ones that you've done. Which one is your favorite?
My favorite.
Was it the
My
arcade, the secret agent? What else did you do?
It was. I did the solar system. I did the rainbow walk this, and I did my body. I would say the secret. I would say the secret agent.
I think the secret agent crate was the best. He was so excited about it. We had so much fun being spies and all that good stuff. This ultraviolet one was cool. Just that the little box kind of was difficult because it wouldn't stay at one point, but we got it to stay.
Yep.
Yep. So I guess that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching. What are you supposed to say?
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.